So let me give you some information on why you need a steam shower in your home. Well, the number one reason is for your skin. Steam showers are great because it's a humid environment. It keeps your skin looking young. It opens up your pores, so it's a great thing for your skin. The other thing that's great about it is for your sinuses. If you're somebody that has allergies or sinus problems, it definitely being in there for even 5-10 minutes will help clear that up, and that's great. Whether it's allergies or you're sick, it's a beautiful thing for sinuses. And the other thing with this is you don't need a whole separate space in your home, which a lot of people think, for having a steam shower. Because of the technology that they have now, we can build you a steam shower in your new or existing shower. And the steam showers are very similar to, if anybody has ever been to Turkey, the Turkish hammam. And those are a great experience. Again, great for your skin, great for your sinuses, and also great for your joints. So I hope this information on steam showers was helpful. Stay tuned for more tips.